When it comes time to add pictures to your projects, I want you to be absolutely certain that you have permission to use the pictures. Pictures are copyrighted works, and we need to be very careful to only use pictures that the authors, the creators, have granted us rights to use. One great way to do this is to find pictures on a website where all of the pictures are available for your use. And one of these websites that I'm going to show you today is openclipart.org. openclipart.org. And I just want to confirm that what I told you was true. I'm going to go down here to the bottom and show you. Here's the license spot. And it says here, unlimited commercial use. And also that all of these clip arts are released into the public domain. And if you're not familiar with that, public domain is a license which allows you to do anything with them. You can use them commercially, you can use them non-commercially, you can change them, you can edit them, you can give them away to other people. And it is a wonderful license for you to choose pictures from. So let's go back. I'm going to choose a picture of the world. Search for world. I like this little world down here. I'm going to click that. That's a cool picture. All right, be careful when you're doing this. For use in Visual Studio, you won't want to use the download button. If you click the download button, it's going to give you the original file, vector artwork, SVG. You can learn more about that in the computer graphics course. We're going to want to pick one of these PNG files right here, these top three: big image, medium image, small image. I'm just going to click medium image. And that's what it takes to get an open clip art image that is free for your use.